Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to crochet a mesh hairband, and I'll be using a 3mm hook. We're going to start off by creating a chain of 43. For round 1, we're going to work 3 double crochets into the 4th chain from your hook. For round 2, we're going to chain 3 and turn our work over. Now we're going to work a double crochet into the next stitch and chain 1. Work another double crochet into the next stitch and chain 1. Work another double crochet, but this time it'll be on the 3 chain space. For rounds 3 through 25, we're going to keep repeating the same step. We're going to chain 3, turn our work over, and work 2 double crochets into the next 2 stitches. And don't forget to chain 1. Now we're going to work a double crochet into the 3 chain space. We're going to keep repeating the same pattern until you get to row 25. My hairband is about 13 inches long, but you can add or remove rows to adjust. For round 26, we're going to chain 2, turn our work over, and we're going to double crochet into the next 2 stitches, but we're not going to chain 1 anymore. We're going to work a double crochet into the 2 chain space. Round 27, we're going to chain 2, turn our work over, and work a double crochet decrease over the next 2 stitches and the 2 chain space. For our strap, we can chain 40 and fasten off. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.